Alright, if you tuned into the last one, we were prepping everything for paint. Today's all about paint. So, this is POR-15. I don't get paid for this. They don't give me this stuff for free. I use it because it works. So, suspension components, frames, that kind of stuff, they're only supposed to be two colors. Black and red. This is the red POR-15 I have left over. I'm going to use it on some of it. But this is the black. Now, when you pop the top on this, you got to use it. Otherwise, buy the small cans. But what I found is you can store it in mason jars, and you can probably keep going back and getting it for about a month before it gets too screwed up to not use. So it's got these clips on the top you got to get off, and that's not it. Where's my little screwdriver? Here it is. Because you're not going to pour it out and then seal this thing back up good enough to keep it from going bad. And I'm sure I'm probably going to use all of it on this project. And I want to be able to use it for the whole project. So what I do is, I'm not going to, this is 2 quarts. Don't tell your wife you're taking her mason jars. Or if you do, don't tell her that you're going to destroy them, because she gets mad. So I told her I was borrowing these, and she thinks I'm going to bring them back. But I'm not. And she'll find out the hard way. And then she'll be mad, but she'll get over it, because she loves me. Whatever you get this on, it's not coming back. If you get it on your skin, it takes weeks to get off. Once it dries, it's not coming off. Try not to get it on the edges, because it'll glue the top on. And then what I do is I throw a little bit of the solvent on top. And it creates a little bit of a barrier, and then seal it up and set it to the side. Now I done screwed up, and I got a drip here. You got to clean all that off of there before you seal it up, or it fucking sticks like you wouldn't believe. You can thin it. 5% is what the can says now. I think it used to be 20%. It looks like they changed their formula, because it seems to be a little bit less, what's the term? More runny, less viscous. So that's 2 quarts, 3 quarts. This will be the 4th quart. Let's see how much I got in there. Yeah, this is going to be good. Wear gloves. Don't get it on your clothes, or they're ruined. I don't mind it getting on this bench because it's metal. And I can wire brush it or sand it off, but this is junk now. So these are going to go in the paint gun first. You can spray it, you can roll it, you can brush it. If you brush it, it smooths out really nice for a finish. It doesn't have the lines in it. I prefer to spray it because you just get better coverage. Try not to shake them. Shit. And those will store pretty good, like that. So we're going to use those first, and then we'll come back and boom, 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 depending on how much we need to spray all that stuff. And then you can take off this pair of gloves. Actually, I'm going to leave them on because I got to clean some parts. So I'm going to wipe everything down, then we'll hang them and get to spraying. For the painting system, I'm trying this new, new to me, this new 3M painting plan. So far I like it a lot better. This disposable goes in here. This comes out. So you can mix. So for starters, 20 ounces maybe. I think I'll pour out of this. Should put gloves on. Try not to spill. It's pretty good. I think it'll take the whole quart to do the frame. But, so the kit comes with, everything's disposable, right? So now this lid just pops on and seals like this. And then this lid pops on and locks everything down so that it doesn't leak. And then this whole thing just snaps into the gun like that. So we're basically ready to go. No leaks, right? It's all good. Let me get dressed and we'll throw some paint. So it used almost all of it. Let it dry, reload, come back, do it again.